afternoon, sir. So today I'm gonna discuss the problems 1 and 2 of the midterm examination of thermodynamics 1. So let's start. So first we need to find the mass flow rate of steam in pound per hour. So the mass flow rate of steam in pound per hour. So una na doon turbine. Diagram. So first ato ni siya i-derive ang formula. So EIN. So kuhaan sa energy in equals to energy nga out mo ni kani. So H1 energy nga in. So work turbine plus the energy out H2. So first kay mass flow rate equals mass flow rate H specific enthalpy 1 equals work turbine plus mass flow rate H2. Nato siya i-transpose. Work turbine equals mass flow rate specific enthalpy 1 plus mass flow rate specific enthalpy 2. Yan nato siya i-usa. So work turbine equals to mass flow rate times specific enthalpy 1 minus specific enthalpy 2. Come up tag formula ni. So sunod dahil ito sa pump. Sa ko ang diagram. So sehingga po energy in and energy out. Energy in plus the energy out. So work turbine plus H3 then equals to H4. Then work turbine plus mass flow rate H3 equals mass flow rate H4. So work turbine plus mass flow rate H4 equals H3. So money 8 F din. So plus mass flow rate H4 for specific 4 minus specific 3. Come up na ta sa formula nga work net equals work turbine minus work NWF. So mass sumpay na sa duha kani. So after ani gawas pangita kay mass flow rate man so matanong kuan naman say kanang katong given nga 1 times x 1 times 10 raised to 9 so to copy. So BTU per hour so over kanina So ato ko ng given data na 1,193.5 BTU per pound minus 29 BTU per pound. 98.22 BTU per pound minus 94 BTU per pound. So ato mass flow rate kay pila ko 1 times 10 is to 9, then over 1,493.5 minus 934.29 minus 28.22 minus 94.02. So natay 1 point unit. So ang mass flow rate of steam in pound per hour is 1.80 times 10 raised to 6 pound per hour. So ang next, ang B, so the rate of heat transfer in BTU per hour to the working fluid passing through the steam generator. So first, consider the diagram. So kadri H1 so energy in gyapon to energy out, then heat nga na in plus H4 equals to H1, then heat in plus mass flow rate H4, so H4 so mass flow rate H1. So ato i-transpose QIN equals mass flow rate H1 minus mass flow rate H4, then ato i-combine ang like terms. So mass flow rate times H1 minus H4, so mo na ang formula. Then mag-solve na ta, then heat in, so copy na itong formula H1 is H4. So ito na ikuan mga data ito ay 1.80 times 10 raised to 6, so pound R. Minus 193.5 BTU minus 98.22 BTU per pound. So mo na ang heat in 1.80 10 to 6 to 6 times 1,493.5 minus 98.22, so natay 2.51 times 10 raised to 9, so kasi natay BTU per hour. So next, see the thermal efficiency. So the formula ni nga work cycle over Qn. Kani given naman ni tong 2.51 times 10 BTU per hour. Cycle na nasad ni given data, so ato ni largo. So 1 times 10 raised to 9 BTU per hour. So over the QIN or the heat in is 2.51 times 10 raised to 9 BTU per hour. So in thermal efficiency nga 110 raised to 9 over 2.51 times 10 raised to 9. So natay 39.84%. So last, so the mass flow rate of cooling water in pound per hour. So ati ko na yan. So M2 equals to M3 flow rate and MA equals to MB equals to mass flow rate of cooling water. So equals to 0. And H2 minus H3 plus mass of cooling water HA minus HB. So kaniya ito i-derive niya kamata nga formula. So cooling water is kamata niya kuan combine na to. So H2 minus H3 over H3 minus HA. So atas na sila pangitaon dua HA o HB. So HA, so 1.0 na 60 minus 32 plus 28.08 BTU. HB 0 76 minus 32 tamata nga 44. Then kani opposite. Say copy the formula. So natay 1.80 times 10 raised to 6 pound per hour times 934.29 BTU pound minus 94.02 BTU pound. Na ang HB 44 BTU B minus ang HA 28 BTU. So mass of cooling water is 1.80 times 10 raised to 6 niya 934.29 minus 94.02 over 44 minus 28.08. Answer tab 1.45 times 10 raised to 7 yung unit man nabilin. So pound per hour.